Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to claim your Spotify artist profile through Tunecore. First, go to the Tunecore website and log into your Tunecore account. Enter your email and password, then access your main dashboard. Make sure the music you want to claim is already live on Spotify. If your release is not live yet, the artist name will not appear in the claiming options. Once you are inside your Tunecore dashboard, look for the Spotify for Artists banner. It usually appears as a purple box on the main page. This section allows you to connect your Tunecore account with your Spotify artist profile. Click on the Spotify for Artists banner. You will see a section called Choose Your Artist. Open the drop-down menu and select the artist name you want to claim. Make sure you choose the correct artist if you manage more than one profile. After selecting your artist name, click the button labeled Claim Your Spotify Profile. This will redirect you to the Spotify for Artists website. On the Spotify page, log in using the personal Spotify account that you want to use to manage your artist profile. This is important because this account will have admin access to the artist page. Once logged in, follow the remaining on-screen instructions from Spotify. You may need to confirm your identity or verify that you are connected to the artist. Complete all required steps until you receive confirmation. After approval, you will have full access to manage your Spotify artist profile. Thanks for watching.